flavor, the aroma comes out more when you toast it in a frying pan before before cooking. So let's do that quickly, and I'll blend it and add it to my pepper soup. See, it doesn't matter at what time you add this. All you need is just add it. Since the goat is still cooking, they'll all mix together. So I'm taking my time. If I had blended everything or crushed everything together, I would just be adding and adding and adding. But it's not. I know you see other videos, you know, they go through, put this, put this, put this, put this. But I'm just going one at a time and showing you the procedure. I'm showing you how to, you know, use each of these ones, how you can get them ready before you add, okay? So, yeah, I'm toasting the egg. When it's fully toasted, we're going to add it. And if you're just joining, this is Usekwu Foods. My name is Ezine Emma Asonye. I run Usekwu Foods, and Usekwu Foods is located at 1601 4th Street Northwest, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Okay, that's where we are, and that's where we you know, run our business. We have our grocery store there, and we also cook there. We do individual dishes. If you just want to order your food and pick it up, we do not do dining. We're not a restaurant yet. We don't have a restaurant yet, okay? So you pick up your food. We also cater for events, your wedding, your birthday party, graduation, funeral for, you know, the elderly, anyone that passes. We don't wish death for anyone, but in case anyone, you know, anyone that is doing funeral and wants someone to cater for them, Usekwu can do that. We do that. That's what we do here. We serve our community. So, it's our egg will be still toasting. So, if you are in the US at this time, or Canada, or UK, or any, you know, any country that experiences snow at this time, January, February, these are the, you know, snowy time or period, and you feel like you want to stay warm, you can use pepper soup to stay warm. Yeah, with all the ingredients, it helps you clear your throat, your chest congestion, your nose, the congestion in your nose. It can help you do that. So that's why we're making pepper soup today. See how I'm sounding like strange. I'm sounding strange. It's because yesterday it just hit me. I've been doing Macho Man all this while thinking that nothing mega, nothing is happening, and I haven't been clothing very well. So yesterday it dawned on me that, oh, you are in the winter period. So, but I have a remedy for it, so I'm not afraid. I'm not scared of the cold. I'm not scared of the winter or the snow. I have my recipe. It's goat meat pepper soup to help me clear the congestion. Okay. Thank you all for joining me today and for staying with me, and thank you, Omenka, for your continuous support. Thank you. I appreciate all of you. If you have any question while I'm cooking, feel free to ask and I'm going to respond, okay? Again, Usekwu Kitchen hosts this cooking every Sunday, and every Sunday we bring out one recipe, one Nigerian recipe to teach. And you might wonder why is she teaching and cooking at the same time? Well, it's in the blood. I am a teacher, and I want to just, you know, be unique in what I do. Yeah, other people cook on TikTok, YouTube, you know, other people cook online, but you know, as a teacher that I am, I want to bring it, down. And in case you're just coming, you can look at our board to, yeah, you can look at our board to see the ingredients that we make goat meat pepper soup with. You can go through it. This is assorted goat meat pepper soup, and I'm using assorted meat, ozuza, that is black pepper, ehuru, African nutmeg, oda, guinea pepper, Adrian fruits, oshosho, onion, habanero pepper, any pepper of your choice, okay? Scent leaf or mint leaf. And I use, my salt and seasoning, and that's it. Do not go adding all the oyibo ingredients. It will just spoil the taste of your pepper soup. You want to go local. Just use your local ingredients. That's the best. Okay. Yeah, my ehuru is roasted. It's fully roasted, okay? I don't know if you see it. But you see, it's browner. So I'm going to blend it right now with my ehuru. No, with my oda. I showed you before that I'm adding oda with the ehuru. So I'll go ahead and blend them together. Okay. Here you go. This smells so good. Oh my god. And see, it's all blended. And usually when I toast my ehuru, I don't know, it makes it a little bit oily. So when I blend it, you find out that it is stuck in the blender. And you can use your butter knife to just get it out. Yeah, I got it all out. Yeah. So now I'm adding my ehuru and oda. Those are the two ingredients remaining, right? The leaf will come in, the scent leaf will come in after the. So yeah, just add about 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of the blend. I added, remember I have oda and ehuru mixed together, so I just added a teaspoon of it. Until when I taste it and feel like I need more of the ingredients, then I'll add more. I need it. My nose, my whole head. I need to clear my head and clear my chest. All right. So I've added those, and I'm going to add a little more water. But man, I don't want to waste the ingredients that I pounded, the onion and pepper, so I'm using water to rinse it. Man, you don't want to be wasteful, right? Alright, so I want to add more water. I just rinsed all my stuff. Okay. We'll let it boil. while that is boiling, cooking, I want to just, I had 2 of this, right? And I just crushed 1. I want to just chop this into little pieces so I can add it. Okay, like I said before, I just have this. I love this pepper. It is kind of sweet. It's not spicy. It's not too spicy, so I'll just add it on top. Okay, you can do this, or if you don't want, you can crush all your pepper. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm cutting. You can, keep liking, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Yeah, I went to cut the pepper, and I'm done cutting. This is the way I'll put it, okay? And I'll put it with the vegetable because yeah, pepper is vegetable, so it doesn't, it doesn't need to be cooked for so long. So I have the one that is already cooking, and then I want to add this later just to enhance. And that is it. That is just all the ingredients that I'm going to be adding. And I'll check our pepper soup to see the progress. It is cooking. And I want to also taste it, okay, to see if I need to add anything again. Remember, this is 3 lb, 3 pounds of goat meat. Oh my God, it's spicy. I'm gonna add a little more egg, just a little more. So that should complete my half tablespoon. I don't need to add any other ingredients to it. Again, if you're just joining us for the first time, this is Usekwu Food. Usekwu Food live on TikTok. Miss Jennifer, you're welcome. Thank you for joining. Yeah, Usekwu Food is located at 1601 4th Street Northwest, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Okay, and there we cater for events. We also do individual dishes in case you just looking for a place to get African food or African grocery. Usekwu Food is the best place to go to. We have everything local, from palm oil to anything, any ingredient that you want to cook. And today we're making goat meat pepper soup, assorted goat meat pepper soup, and then and we have my ingredients written here. In case you have a pen and you want to write down, you can write down the ingredients for making your goat meat pepper soup. Right. Thank you for liking. Thank you. Yeah. So we're making, we are here every Sunday from 2 p.m. 12 p.m. Mountain Time or 2 p.m. Eastern Time. All right. Assorted goat meat pepper soup, very good, for appropriate for this weather. It's cold here, it's chilly, and I need it to clear my nose. I need it to clear my chest. I'm having some cough as a result of the weather change. Right. So if you want to learn how to make pepper soup, join us. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Okay. Yeah. Our pepper soup is you see that? It's boiling, and you want to make sure your meat is tender so that you don't break your teeth when you eat, right? Alright, I'm gonna check if the meat is tender. It's been cooking for almost an hour right now because this is stove top. If I were to cook it with my pressure cooker, I would just do it for about 25 minutes. It's not a very big goat. And it's a male goat. It cooks faster than the female goats. One of the reasons we prefer to have the male goats, right? All right. So I'm going to check if my meat is tender. See that? It's tasty. It's hot. So if you want to check to see if your meat is tender or if it is done, you can try. I know I'm using the kidney, which is, you know, soft already. It will give me a clue as to whether the man goat meat is done. Okay, it's hot, it's icy, and it tastes good. You can come to my house. I'm not at the store today, I'm cooking from home. You can come and join me if you want to eat pepper soup. Assorted goat meat pepper soup. Come to the house. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my vegetable, the scent leaf, and the pepper. It's boiling. You see that, right? That's our goat meat pepper soup. Fully cooked. And now it's ready for me to dish it. And you see, I have enough water in it, so I have enough to drink. It's not just about the meat. The water contains all the local ingredients that I've shown you. So I need it. I need it for the cold. You know, I showed you the Adrian fruit initially, and I told you that you don't need to crush it because all you're looking for is the taste. We don't need to crush it, we don't need to blend it, so you don't need to eat it. It has given you the taste that you need, right? So you just there, you can just toss it after you're done cooking. It has done its job. We're going to eat together. Here's my pepper soup. Oops. And I'm going to enjoy it now. Just watch me eat. If you want to come and eat, please rush. It's free. I am home. Today is my day off, so when I'm off, I stay home to cook. So if you're nearby Albuquerque, just come and eat. And I told you that the most important thing here is the water. Okay, look. Oh, it's touching me here. And I love the lungs. It's hot, it's spicy. In fact, it's medicinal. It's therapeutic. Just make it at home if you don't want to come and join me right now. You can allow yours to get cold if you want, but I like to drink it while it's hot so I can clear my congestion. This is nourishing. Do you have any question for me? Again, you can find us at 1601 4th Street, Northwest Albuquerque, New Mexico. That is where we do our business. That is where we serve our people. But today I cooked this from home because I stay home on Sunday. And I want to share my secret with you. That's why I do this. I love my community and I want you to join me. In case you're married to an Igbo man, or you're planning marrying an Igbo man, and you might have an Odogu that does not eat rubbish. Might have an Odogu that doesn't want to deal with, I don't want to mention the names. Please learn how to cook our local food, our local dishes. Your Odogu will remain your Odogu, okay? If you can't deal with spice like pepper, go slow on it. Do not put too much. Mine is not too much, but I'm really feeling the impact already. Okay? And if you take your pepper soup and you don't have this effect, your nose is not clearing, your throat is still congested, then that's not. Check your ingredients. Maybe you didn't add the right ingredients. Like I said, it depends on the quantity of meat you're cooking. See, the size of my pot is small for this reason, right? When I cook at the kitchen, I use massive pots to cook because I'm cooking, it's commercial, right? But here, what I'm doing is just for the purpose of this video. So I'm making it small. So I use 3 pounds of meat to do my goat meat pepper soup, and I use assorted types. The intestine, the tribes, the goat meat itself, especially the part that is around the stomach, it has no bone at all. So my goat meat pepper soup has no bone. It's all meat. And look at it, look at the whole meat with the skin on it. And if you want to go, smaller, you can cut it smaller. Mine is a little big. You can cut it smaller than this, okay? Yeah, can be as small as, okay, look at this chunk. Just small chunks for your pepper soup. And you're gonna enjoy it with your family. So this one, we're just gonna finish it. If I don't see you, if you don't come around, Chi, come and eat, oh. If you're not doing any homework, run, come to the house and drink. Choma, come, I'm not stingy, you know that, right? I'm waiting. Come and eat pepper soup. Yeah. So, next Sunday we're going to cook something else. Should I tell you? I don't want to tell you. But if you want me to tell you, yes, because if you want to cook with me so that you get your ingredients ready, okay? So, this week, the past week, last Sunday, I did Usekwu, the goat head. And today, I decided to do goat meat pepper soup. And next week, let me just reveal it. I'm going to do asun And asun is a Yoruba language, right? It's still goat meat, but made in pepper sauce. So that's what I'm going to do. So if you want to cook with me, buy your goat meat, get your goat meat ready, get your ingredients ready, and we're going to cook together. Okay? So we're making asu so that we'll be done with goat meat, right? Okay, and then we face other stuff. We have nkwobi, we have abacha. You might have been doing making your abacha, but not the way Usekwu makes it. And if you have come to our store before, our kitchen, if you have eaten our abacha and you're like, oh, this tastes different, I want to see how you make it. Oh, just keep joining every Sunday. You never can tell. You don't know when I will do abacha. All right. And we're also going to be making other food like gizzard and dodo. I've not mentioned the egusi soup, our favorite, the people's favorite, our customers' favorite. We'll make egusi soup, and we have different types, different ways, methods that we can make egusi soup. We can make it the dry method. We can make it the wet method, whereby you wash and blend your egusi with water. And then the other one is when you can just blend it with your dry blender before cooking. So different methods. And when you see one, don't say, she doesn't know how to cook. That is how Usekwu makes her own food. And maybe your own might be better. You can also put on the comment section how you make your own. But today, this pepper soup is, I can't wait. Choma, hurry up, because by the time you get here, if I keep eating like this, I'm going to finish this pepper soup. It's touching me right here. The good thing about it is that all the ingredients are doing their job very well. You put them in the appropriate size, I mean the appropriate amount, so that one will not taste too strong, right? If you add too much uzuza seed, that's the black pepper, in your pepper soup, it will be bitter, kind of. It will be too strong. Hey, Adanne. Welcome. All right. Adanne Jane. All right. So if you add too much uzuza in your pepper soup, it's going to taste bitter. Come and eat pepper soup. We'll finish cooking. Ooh, this is Usekwu goat meat, assorted goat meat pepper soup. Come and join me. You can come to the house. I'm still eating. It's still in the pot. So if you add too much of anything, it's gonna taste different. You just add a little bit of all the ingredients. Like for the 3 lbs of goat meat that I used, the 3 pounds, I used just 1 teaspoon, not tablespoon. I use 1 teaspoon of uzuza. If you go beyond that, you might spoil it. But you know, as you taste your food, you know your taste bud, right? You know how you want it. So I also used uzuza and ehuru and oda I blended together, and I also made sure that I use even less than the half teaspoon, so that it will not be bitter. And I warned everyone that is here, if you're a woman here and you are expecting, you want to take in, do not put uda. It won't make too much of a difference. Don't add uda, or warning, hold your ears, do not add uda. I showed you what uda is. Don't add it to your food, please. This uda is too much. Do not add it. Don't add it. Don't add it to your pepper soup if you're pregnant. But if you're nursing a baby, oh wow, it's so good. It helps your breast milk flow. It helps clear your stomach. Everything, your womb is just a healing spice. So therapeutic. So I showed you guys 4, right? But I won't add 4 because my pot is small. I'm just cooking 3 lbs. I added only 2 to my ehuru, or else I'll be tasting bitter. Like I know when I used to have babies, right? They will cook pepper soup for me and add this. If it is too much, I'll be struggling to eat it. But yeah, it's very helpful for you. So don't make the mistake, if you're pregnant, don't make the mistake of adding all that to your food. Just go by ehuru, ozoza, and the other one that I showed you, the Adrian fruit. Adrian fruit is very, very good. It's a very good spice. I don't want my pepper soup to be cold. Oh. See, I'm drinking just the water because I need it. And see, it's still hot. The steam is still there. I know my tongue is not going to burn today. I'm not burning my tongue. If you're around Abukoki, come and collect your share. I can share. Thank you, Digital. Oh. Thank you all for today. I know, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for taking your time to cook with me. In case you came late, you can look at the board to see the ingredients. You want to write them down, you can write them down. You can write them down, okay? So that when you want to cook, you can use the ingredients that are on the board there to. And please, I said earlier, I am a teacher. Even though a teacher that became a nurse and then cooking, if you take everything away from me, please don't plan on taking cooking away from me. That's my hobby. Even as a teacher and as a nurse, I love cooking. I love my kitchen. So my day off, I can't think of doing anything better than than cooking in the kitchen. And that's what I do today. I did today. Every Sunday, 12 noon, I'll be here with you cooking the different Nigerian and Igbo dishes. I am an Igbo woman, and I'm proud to tell you that our food is the best. If you doubt it, come here and tell me. You can tell me here. Yeah, next week, like I said, we're making goat meat. It's gonna be peppered goat meat, and it's called asun, right? Then we'll be done with goat meat, and then we face other things like abacha, nkwobi. We've done isiewu last week, so we'll be doing abacha, nkwobi, anything, goosey soup, jollof rice. Show you Usekwu method of cooking jollof rice. You might have yours, you might have the different way, but you can try ours and see if it is good, okay? We'll be here again next Sunday, 12 noon Mountain Time, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you're around Abukoki, don't hesitate, don't be shy, come by and take yours and clear your sinuses and your congestion. Thank you for telling them that Adanne, I love you, I appreciate you. Greets over for me. Thank you, keep liking. Thank you. She wants us to keep liking until we get to 10,000. Last week we were 9.9, right? Thank you. Adanne, biari pepper soup. I told this cough this morning that you can't challenge me. You can do all you can. But as long as I'm here in Usekwu, I will deal with the cough. I will deal with the stuffy nose. I will deal with the whole congestion. And that is what I'm doing. I'm going to have this. Enjoy it. I don't really care much about the meat. I love goat meat. I told you earlier. But I love the water because it has all the live ingredient, local ingredient that heals. Our food is healthy. Our food heals. I mean, look at all the ingredients that we use. Uzoza oda, the nchuang, that scent leaf. Look at them. Google them. Find out the benefits. If maybe I didn't give you enough, you see that yes, you need them in your food. You need them to keep your odogu. You don't want to give your odogu burger. Let me say it for once. Nobody will kill me. My kaki will not be taken away from me. Don't give him burger. Give him goat meat pepper soup. Give him isiewu. Odogu, your odogu deserves isiewu. Your odogu deserves goat meat pepper soup, the assorted type. Just cook it and give them. With this code, if you're in Abukoki, you can attest to, the fact that it's been very cold since Friday. And that is the reason I'm sounding strange. My voice, just caught me yesterday, like I said earlier. Yeah, I need this. We all need this. See how it's flowing. I need it. It's natural therapy. You don't need Oyibo medicine to clean your, clear your sinuses. Yeah. When I started, my nose was stuffy. I was talking like strange person, not me, but since I started taking this, it's clearing. It's clearing and my nose is like running. And that's what I need for this season. This is so appropriate for this season. So if you're at home and you're cold, you want to stay warm, cook goat meat pepper soup. You can use your chicken if you want. But if you're using chicken, I beg you, use the organic local hen. Oat layer or whatever you call it. We call it hard chicken because that is us. We have teeth to chew the bone. We have teeth to crush the hardness. So you don't need to buy anyhow chicken, but whatever you prefer, I don't know, you can use that. But what I'm saying in essence is that you can do it with catfish, any fish of your type, tilapia. It depends on what you want. But this is what you need for this season. Thank you, Omenka, for the roses. I appreciate you. Thank you. All right. Yeah, this is what you need for this season. You really need it. It helps you encourage your kids. If you're cooking it for your family and you know that your kids are going to, join you, and if you've not really trained them on eating a lot of pepper like we do, yeah, you go, slow on it. Don't go too crazy on the pepper, okay? So that they will also be able to join you. My little daughter is coughing over there. I'm going to give her too. All right. It works better than anything because it's local. You're using local spices. I showed you this. I'm not discouraging you. Oh, I sell it though. I'm not discouraging you, but if you have the local one, the ones that you crushed by yourself, use it. But when you don't have it, or you want to make it quick, you can use Lasso Peppersoup spice. Yes, somebody put it together for those of us that might be in a rush. You had a 12-hour shift and you really need this and you want to cook it fast and you don't have time to start crushing ehuru, oda, ozoza, adrian fruit and all that, oshosho. But you can lay your hands on this. It's the same thing. But what I'm saying is that when it is in a package and I don't trust it 100% and I want to go by my own, the one I know the sauce. And again, I mentioned earlier, if you're just joining us now, that you can source for your local meat in, there are some local farmers that rear goat meat and they feed them with organic food. I mean, organic food. And you know that the goats you're eating is organic. I can call my goat meat now organic. Why? I got it from a farm and I've been there again and again and I know what this guy feeds his goats with. He will go and buy bags of potato and keep there for the goat to eat. He has hairs for the goat to eat and so many other organic produce, farm produce, carrots. I'm like, this guy, you're really into, like this. instead of just feeding them with anything. And they have free range, you know, they move around, they walk around, they're not in a cage, so you can tell that this meat is healthy. It is healthy. Oh, thank you guys, thank you. We have 10,000 likes, and I know you can do more, you can do better. We have about 5 minutes to end. Keep tapping. I appreciate you. I love you all. You are wonderful. Yeah, go to those local farmers and get your meat, get your goat's meat. And I said earlier that we prefer the male goats. Mbi. Omenka told me that it's mbi. Yes, it is mbi. We call it wambi, and that is the male goat. And the reason is that it gives you that scent. If you're coming to my house right now, by the time you get to the door, you will know that I cooked goat meat today. And that is because it has this scent, right? Do not say it has odor. That is disrespectful for our goats, because we love goat, right? So yeah, the female goat doesn't really smell that strong. Some people say it smells so strong, they don't like the male goat, but I love it for the smell. The smell is what makes it goat meat. And again, I also said, if you're buying goat meat, make sure they don't skin it for you. Tell them to burn it for you. Burn it, burn the fur, burn the hairs. Don't skin it. Do not shave it. Just burn it. And you see that taste is in, you know, is the burning also adds to the flavor. If you burn your goat meat, your goat, right, wash it very clearly. Somebody might say, oh no, it will be smoky. Oh no, if you look at this goat meat, it has the skin, it is burnt. Does it look smoky? Does it look like something that will add smoke to my food? No. So you burn it and you wash it thoroughly. Yeah, look at the skin in the goat makes it goat meat. If it doesn't have skin, I'm not gonna eat. I won't accept it from you. See, the skin is there. I also explained that I like to use on the stomach part. You know, goat meat is like this, right? The hand has bone, the legs have bone, the ribs also have bone. You can use any part that you like, but me personally, I like to use under the stomach. I call it the flat part. And when you cook it, it's no longer flat. See, you see what I showed you? It has the meat in it, it has the flesh in it, and then on top of it is the skin. So I don't want to deal with the bone for goat meat pepper soup, because I want to take it and put it straight in my mouth without having to use my hand, you know, to hold it. I don't want to hold it while I'm eating. So that's why I prefer to use the boneless parts. And if ever I don't have the boneless parts, I would like to debone my goat meat before cooking. I mean, I chop off the bone from it and cook it. Yeah, the goat meat is not the one I pride in. The goat meat bone is not the one I pride in. I can eat chicken bone and break it into pieces. I don't want to deal with the goat meat bone, because the goat bone is a little hard. It's unsafe to eat. I'm sorry. It's unsafe, right? It might hurt your teeth. Thank you for the roses again. I appreciate you. Thank you all for, you know, being here today with me. I will be here again on Sunday. Keep the dates, keep the time, and we'll be making asun. From asun, we'll go to abacha, go to, you know, more. In my cookbook, I have over 50 dishes, Nigerian dishes. You might like, Shizibo, do they really have 50 or more dishes? Yes, we do. We are Igbo people and we travel a lot, right? We have neighbors. We have the Calabar neighbors, right? So I make afang soup, and my afang soup, I can even, you know, one thing with us is that we travel a lot, right? We are in every part of Nigeria, every part of Africa. Think about it, Europe, you know, everywhere. Here, I'm here in America, right? So as we go to those places, we learn. Thank you, Dr. Ifeoma Chusin, for joining. I appreciate you, ma'am. Today, we just finished making goat meat pepper soup, and I have the ingredients listed out there. I made goat meat pepper soup today because it is suitable for the weather. Oh, since Friday, it's been snowing and raining here. The weather has been terrible, and I thought that goat meat pepper soup will help suit my body today, keep me warm and clear my nose and clear my throat and my congested chest, Yeah, so we travel a lot and we cook, when we go to those places, because we have them as neighbors or we live in their area, we learn how to cook their food. An Igbo person will cook afang soup that is originally from Calabar people or Cross River and Akwa Ibom. They will cook it better than them. So we have all of this in my Usekwu cookbook, and Usekwu cookbook is on the way. It will be published soon, and so that when I'm cooking, you can we'll be flipping over the pages for the ingredients and for the procedure, how to make each food. Okay, like I said, we have about 50 or more, and we'll be adding as we remember, but I bet you won't regret joining Usekwu Food. So I'll see you again next Sunday. If you have any question for me, please do ask. And as you keep tapping on your screen, give. Thank you all who gave gifts today. I appreciate you all. God bless you. And I'll see you again on Sunday. And like I said, we are located at 1601 4th Street, Northwest Albuquerque. You can call. Our phone number is on our website. You can call for to place your order. You can, if you want individual dishes, we do that. Is to go. It's just, take out only. We don't do dining. We are not a restaurant. Google might classify us as a restaurant because of the menus that we have there. But no, we are in a commissary kitchen. We cook and people take out, order food and come and pick up. It's just pick up only. And we also have a grocery there. So if you want, looking for anywhere to buy your local ingredients to make food for your odogu and for your family, come to Usekwu at 1601 4th Street, Northwest Albuquerque, New Mexico. All right. Thank you again. I appreciate you for stopping by and for all your likes and for, the gifts. Thank you. Thank you. Adane, bye. Chom, I'm still waiting for you to come and eat your pepper soup. See, I'm still. So, cook your pepper soup for your family. And I just showed you the method Usekwu uses and, the ingredients. So try it, and next time on Sunday when we are cooking asun, peppered goat meat, tell me how your own goat meat pepper soup went. Remember, for this weather you need it, your family needs it. Buy any medicine that you want, you care about. Dr. Ifeoma Chusin can tell you. She's a pharmacist, she's a doctor in pharmacy. She knows what I'm talking about. Local ingredient is the best for, therapeutic healing. For your healing, you need it. All right. Thank you. Bye all. Love you all.